Thanks for watching and joining me. Today I'm going to test tactical flashlights for brightness, shock resistance, and cold resistance. I even have this one on loan from my local sheriff's office for comparison. Each of the lights have similar claims for brightness and durability and are easily available at retailers. I have two as seen on TV Bell & Howell lights to test. One was purchased from eBay and the other from Walmart. If you have not seen my unboxing comparison video for these two lights, I'll leave a link in the description and at the end of this video. Please check it out and subscribe to my channel for even more videos. I set up a stand to test the brightness of each light on spotlight mode. I'll test at 1 foot, 4 feet, 25 feet, 50 feet, and 100 feet with my light meter at night. Each of the lights have the same brand of fresh batteries installed. I'm using a metal ruler to guide me. This is at 25 feet at the first cone. This is 50 feet, which is the second cone, and then 100 feet, which is the third cone. Here's a chart of the results with the highlighted ones performing the best. This is shining on a tree at 50 feet away on the brightest flood function. You can clearly see the difference between the lights. It's time to get cold. I froze the lights for 48 hours, then packed in dry ice. My digital thermometer is only good for minus 30 degrees, and it has exceeded that temperature, so it's very cold indeed. I'll test each light for function and brightness on flood at 4 feet. The lights are so cold I have to wear gloves, and you can see the ice build up on each. Here's the first failure. The Pro 4 button pushed in, but it seemed to still work otherwise for now. This button actually froze in place, but it looks like it still works. Each light still functions, but the Pro 4 doesn't look like it'll hold up much longer. Now it's time to shock test each. I have this pipe I'll use as a guide to ensure each fall consistently the 6 feet and land the same way. I'll drop each light 5 times. The impact on some of the lights activates the switch and changes the function or turns the light off. So far so good though. I guess I spoke too soon. Looks like the Walmart Bell & Howell is having trouble now. I don't think it's going to make it. I started out with 7 tactical lights, including this one on loan from my sheriff's office. Of course, I did not test it for shock or cold because it is on loan. The far point was provided by a viewer, and the rest I purchased. Thank you, Ron R. from Florida. This one is the Skyfox Eye I bought off eBay from China. It looks like a great light actually, even has a belt clip, but it did not work at all to be able to test it. The Pro 4 was a disappointment as well. It could not withstand the extreme cold, and the button mechanism fell apart. What's worse is that it was the best packaging and is one of the more expensive lights at $20. Then the Bell & Howell purchase from Walmart failed during the shock test, so that left 3. The supposed Bell & Howell model purchased through eBay sustained damage during the shock test. The lens is loose and probably no longer water resistant. It doesn't have all the advertised functions, and other than the compact spotlight mode, it's not very bright. I was quite impressed with the Quantum from Harbor Freight. It was fairly bright, compact, durable, and was under $10. It uses 3 AAA batteries which were included, unlike most of the others. The Farpoint did very well too, but it's the most expensive of the purchase lights, around $30, but it held up very well. It uses 9 AAA batteries, also included, and it was also one of the brightest. Bottom line, if you have the budget and you're looking for a military or law enforcement grade light, then buy the real thing. The Streamlight is one option, which is featured here, and is superior to these I tested today, but it comes in at a price of $110. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really appreciate you supporting my efforts by subscribing to my channel and liking and commenting on my videos. Please click the icon on the left to subscribe and the link on the right to watch me unbox and compare the 2 Bell & Howell lights.